So today we will talk about the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and PAXG Gold. Okay, for when to take entry, stop loss, support level, resistance. But we will check by altFINS. Okay, so first of all, this is an educational video. I'm not saying that you have to buy on this point, and altFINS is don't have any relationship with me for promoting their app or something. I am using their platform for my trading, so I have buy their subscription. I am using that. Okay, so let's begin. So basically, first of all, I need to mention they have introduced one more option in their platform, which is very good. I will must say I am impressed with it. This is the AI setup they have mentioned. I will show you what is this one. 1 minute. I'm just explaining you in the in this video in a detailed way what they have introduced and how this is useful now in the trading. So I'm just searching for the Bitcoin. Okay, first of all, so this is a Bitcoin. Okay, so here in the Bitcoin, see, they are showing the chart one. Okay, this one is the chart, not this way. You can say like that one. Okay, this is normal chart. It's a trading view chart. I will show you. They have introduced one AI trade up setup. Like now we are using the AI for our trading. You have seen in many channels or many documentation or many videos about how to use your AI with use the AI to fetch the details, how to do when to take entry in the bit in any shares, cryptos, forex exchange, something in anyone. Okay, in any communities or we use the AI that how to take the entry, stop loss, resistance, support, and how much that data is following, and its whales are buying or institution is buying the Bitcoin or not. These things we check from the AI like Gemini, Claude, and other Chat GPT, Perplexity. They are multiple. Okay. Now in this platform in the alt finance, they have introduced one AI trade setup. So I am using that one. It's a very good thing because I don't have to now go to any other AI platform, basically Gemini, Claude, and someone, and ask them to provide me the details. What's the residence support, when to take entry. They provide the details here also at finance, but usually earlier I was taking the help from my Gemini or Claude also. I'm just asking like what's happening in the market. It's whale buying it or just there is a selling pressure going on, something like that. Now in a one click I will show you in a once I click in the AI trade app setup, it's showing me the warning because I have already used, but I have the prompt, so I'm using it. Okay, I'm showing you live. Okay, and it's not a live, but for me I'm doing the live and I will just share the video in some time. Okay, so I click on continue. Now it will set up the this thing. What's happening in this? So thesis, there is a summary. First of all, this is an education video, nothing else. And all finance is not saying to me to promote their platform. This thing, they don't have direct relation with for promotion. I am doing from myself. I have taken the all finance subscription. I This is the one of the best tool I am using platform, and it's a best one. I will say that for me it's a best one. Even sometimes we have the ego that why we have to depend on some platform this thing, but I will say this is a good platform. Yeah, so I will continue, and I'm not saying to buy it. It's your call, it's your choice, and just go and check their trial also. You will love it. Okay, so starting. So there's a thesis bearish continue as the BTC breaks short-term structure following the rejection from a overhead supply with the conviction based on the fresh bearish MACD crossover. I'm just putting that one. Okay. Um, no, not. Oh, sorry. It's yeah. If are you able to see this one? So not this one. They have given the thesis that bearish continues, short term strong down, mid term neutral, and long term neutral. Now they have provided the support and resistance. So resistance is I will current price is 74,807 dollar. Okay, so support 168,142, support 259,484, and support is 50,227. So it's a previous consideration flow and structure by pivot and strong historical buyer demand zone in this one, and long term macro horizontal flow. Same in the resistance, 88,272 breakout point and current overhead supply, 98,397 resistance 2, major rejection zone at recent highs, and resistance 3 1 lakh 4,155 dollar historical psychological ceiling. Okay, price recently weak tested local liquidity and is currently drifting lower towards support 1. Okay, the zone between 74,000 and 70 shows minor intraday friction but lacks major confluence. Okay, RSI is 38.20 neutral, approaching oversold territory with no visible bullish divergence. Okay, MACD bearish signal cross Instagrams trending lower indicates threatening downward momentum. Okay, chart pattern no confirmed pattern. Price is currently displaying a breakdown from previous distribution range with structure now favoring lower highs. Okay, volume analysis, relative volume is high at 1.72, suggesting active participation in the current downward move. Volume is confirming the price decline, indicating high conviction among sellers. So they have made the trade setup. That's the important thing I've seen. See, you can read this news in everywhere. Okay, but the actual this help you to filter out many things. Suppose there is an entry point, they are saying there 70,807. Stop loss is 88,272, just beyond resistance 1. Okay, target 1 68,142, target 2 59,484. Risk reward ratio, it's mentioned 1 ratio 1.14. Okay, now they have calculated through the chart of the Bitcoin, and they have made the trade setup, which is very good. I can now get the entry point, stop loss, target 1, target 2. Now on the basis of this, I can analyze many things, that if I want to take the trade, and if it's from my analysis also, it's saying that now it can go down, so I can take action in that. Okay, so it's a good thing. And now they have mentioned short term trend is strong down, indicating high momentum in current sell off. MACD has crossed below the signal line. Okay, a classic bearish signal, high relative volume. This one, price currently is no man's land between 80k resistance and 60k support. A sudden reversal and close above 88,272 resistance invalidates the bearish thesis. RSI entering the oversold zone could trigger a short-term relief bounce. Macro news or ATF could result in V-shaped recovery, bypassing structural levels. Momentum is clearly bearish, but the wide stop loss required effect reflects high volatility. Okay, so basically, this is the important thing. I got this entry and this one, so it's easy for me. I can do that and take the entry on the basis of it. If I need to be in the bearish mode on this one, they have given the momentum. That's the important thing. You need this thing, and after that, you just take the trade on the basis of if it is good or not. Okay, now I will show you for the Ethereum also. Ethereum. AI trade setup. I'm using my prompt and it's taking. Okay, it's going down. Yeah. So same for it. Now I will just highlight the important one. Okay. So there is a bearish continuation following a decisive breakdown from a rising channel, driven by a oversold momentum, accelerating and trend weakness. Okay. Trend overview: short term strong down, mid term strong down, and long term down. Okay. Support 2035.37, support to $1929.80, support 31850. Okay, resistance is 2144, 2 is resistance 2 is 2429, and resistance 3 is 2465. Okay, it's in the oversold. Okay, RSI is 14 oversold. No, 29.13 oversold. Okay, I'm just directly coming to the trade setup. Bias, bearish, entry 2028.95, stop loss 2144, target 11929.80, target 21850. Okay, align with the current price. You can take the entry of this one. It's saying like that. It's not 100% sure that you can take this one entry at that time. You have to do analysis from your end, and this is an educational video. I'm not saying that you have to take any position in it. It's your choice. It's do your own analysis. That's the main thing. Okay, now strong technical confluence, okay, between trend rating and pattern breakout and MACD momentum. Okay, this one and rational. Okay, daily close black inside a daily close back inside the channel structure 2144 would invalidate the bearish setup they have mentioned. Okay, that's the link. And risk reward ratio is 1:1.54. Okay, now I will show you the PAXG code. Okay, that's one more. Go. So in this also bearish continuation as the price remains suppressed under strong downward trend rating and negative MACD momentum. Now there is a current price is 4,499, support 1 4,433, support 2 4,350, support 3 4,280. Okay, and resistance is 4,550, resistance 2 is $4,635, and resistance 3 is 478.29. Okay, I'm just going to the trade setup. It's the main thing because I just need to show you this thing, but other details you will get. Okay, I know from the Google or anywhere which platform you are using, you can get it. Okay, now trade setup: bias bearish, entry is 4499.17, stop loss is 4550, target 1 is 4433.86, target 2 4350, support 2, risk and reward 1:3. Okay, that's a great thing. Okay, if see, for this setup, for me, I will tell you, they have given the entry, stop loss, target 1, target 2. That's a normal thing. You, if anyone wants to take the trade, they can use this one, and in the normal way, don't use much money for this thing. Basically, if you are taking any trade and blindly believing that, see, nobody is correct. Okay, there is a chance it can go, there is a chance it can just hit the stop loss, but you have to do your analysis. That's the important thing, and do research from there your end. And I have just provided you details. That's the thing I am just sharing. So that's all from my end. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Okay, bye bye.